The first thing that we try to do for our clients is give them a good broad overview and understanding of what they're going to go through. There's then a period of identification. You have to identify the potential resources from which you're going to recover, whether that be an independently owned company's assets or whether that be insurance. 95% of all cases is insurance. So you have to do a fairly thorough examination of where the insurance is, making sure that you're not missing a bigger policy. Because if you had a claim that had $100,000 worth of damages, but you can only find $25,000 of insurance, well, then it's a $25,000 claim, even though the value of the claim is $100,000. So you have to thoroughly examine the existence of insurance policies and where they may come, whether that's in the form of under-insured motorist coverage, whether that is in the form of employer insurance through vicarious liability, whether there are excess policies, whether there are other third party policies that could apply. So there's an examination done in every case of the potential sources of recovery. Once you do that, there then has to be an examination of the extent of the injury. How is this person injured? What do their doctors say? Where are they in the course of their treatment? And we constantly stay in contact with our clients so that we understand what's going on with them. Are there any new problems that you've had? Have you had any new incidents or accidents, new accidents? What's your next doctor's appointment? We need to be able to do that so we can get all the medical records. Typically, in the course of a case, you're negotiating throughout that process with the insurance company, letting them know where you are. It may be, hey, we're not ready to make a demand yet because my client's still treating. She's still undergoing MRIs, which could lead to surgery. So I'll let you know when we're ready to make a demand. When we're fully armed with all of the information that we need, we make a demand. Sometimes we go meet with the doctors ahead of time so the doctor can sign an affidavit or statement saying, hey, this is the injury, because the medical records aren't always as clear as you want them to be. This is the injury. This is how they suffered it. And it's likely to impact this person as follows. So you send that to the insurance company and negotiate a settlement. You make a demand and negotiate. If you're successful, you settle. If you can reach a fair number that both sides are, that we're satisfied with and that they're willing to pay, you settle. If not, you have to move the case into litigation, which means you file a lawsuit. And that is an entirely separate life unto itself.